Hello everyone, welcome to Dude Kids A to Z channel, and in this video again I am going to tell you about the types of information, how vitally the technology will helps you to decision making in your business. So here we have the table of information systems, types of information systems. So you can see here we go with the vital role in business forms of information system. So it supports an organization business process and operation that includes operation systems such as transaction processing systems, process control, etc. And it also supports in the decision making process, and it also supports for the strategic comprehensive advantages. Like you can say it includes expert system knowledge, strategic information, and functional business systems. So in the next slide we are going to see about the manager, how to have knowledge about the following effectively and efficient of the information technology. Managers or business professionals are not required complete understanding of complex technologies. Basic concepts and the specialized applications in the area of information such systems that they should know is five of the below. If they know that, that is enough for them. Like fundamental concept, information technology, business applications, development processes, and management challenges. Like you can see one by one in the next slide. So here we have fundamental concepts. It includes fundamental businesses and managerial concepts. Like example we can say, what are concepts of system and their functions, what comprehensive strategies are required. And the second one is information technology. It includes operation, development and management of hardware, software, data management, networking, and other technologies. I have mentioned all in this previous slides also. And the business applications, it includes major uses of IT in business steps, that is processes, operations, decision makers, and strategic comprehensive advantage. And development process, as you know, it compares how end users and IS specialists develop and execute business or IT solutions to programs. And the last challenge, this management challenge, it includes how the function and information technology resource strategically maintained. And in this picture you can see the framework of information of business professionals. And in the next slide we are going to see the important influences of information in business. Very important to know the information helps managers in efficient decision making, and it's also organization and the and also to take the right decisions. Good information maybe help to gather innovative ideas, etc., and gathered through information system. However, the gathering through information system may be utilized by the managers to usual situations. Information system is viewed as process. It can be integrated to formulate a strategy of action or operation. And in the next slide we are going to see the operation support system. OOS, it improves operational efficiency of the enterprise, and also primarily are considered with operation. They use internal data primary for managers at the lower level, and OOS provides a variety of information for internal and external users. It's also act as a business transaction control, industrial processes, support entrepreneur communication, and etc. And mainly the objective of this OOS is to improve the operational efficiency of the enterprises. And in the next slide we are going to see the TPS, that is transaction processing system. It's in the name only we can say that it is lowest level of management and its information system to manipulate data from business transactions. Any business activity such as sales etc will be the transactions are to be organized and manipulated to generate various information products for the external users. And few more benefits of this are for example sales I already mentioned, right? So you can see in the next slide we have the process control system. So it this type of system computer is used to control ongoing physical processes. The computers are designed to automatically make decisions which adjust the physical productions process. Example, the assembly line of the automation factory. You can see in the images, right? And few of images are for your examples. In the next slide, we are going to see enterprise correlation system. By seeing the picture only, you can understand that it supports correlation to communicate ideas, share resources, and coordinate and cooperate work effectively and efficiently. Its objective is to use IT to enhance the productivity and creativity of teams in enterprises. And the next slide we have management support system. This will also play a major role in decision making, providing relevant and required information at the right time to the right person. These are generally categorized into three, that is management information, decision support system, and executive information system. And in the next slide you can see what is MIS. An integrated user mission system designed for providing information to support operational control, management control, and decision making functions in an organization is called MIS. Or in a simple we can say MIS is a computer based system that provides flexible and speedy access to accurate data. I hope you are clear with this. And in the next slide, we are going to see the decision support system. In short, it is known as DSS. It's a type of computerized information system that supports business and organizational decision making activities. A properly designed DSS is a interactive software based system initiated to help decision makers to compile useful information from raw data, documents, personal knowledge, and other business models to identify and solve problems and make decision makings. In the next slide we are going to see classifications of DSS. First one is supports decision making and occurs and all level of management. The second one is focus on decision rather than data information, mainly use it for decision making rather than communication. And the last, instead of helping individual working on independent tasks, it should be able to help group making decisions. And the difference between DSS and traditional MIS, here you can see in the images like it is basically classified into three categories. And in the next slide we are going to see the executive information system. You can see bit a formula kind of thing, like top managers are collectively executive of information technology is equals to executive support system divided by ESS, that is in uh, it serves the strategical level, like top level managers of organization, generalized computing and communication environment rather than providing any present of applications or specific compensation. And the next slide we have the executive decision making environment. This is very broad actually, and often executive makes those decisions based on vision they have regarding what it should be in the future entrepreneur success. Simple, we can say the future estimation will be done in this decision making. And next slide we have is five characteristics of information used in executive decision making. First one is future observation. So, as I said, it is very broader. It will be decision making through the future. So, it is for future obligation and informal source. Like executives, more than other type of manager, rarely they will give the key information and lack of structure. Many of the decision makers by execution are relatively understandings also. And the fourth one is low level of details, and the last level is high degree of uncertainty. So in the next slide we are going to see how the computer based office automation system looks like. And we have, after this, in the next slide we are going to see the text processing system. This automation the process of development of documents such as letters, reports, forms, etc. And in the next we can see these like email writing. Everybody knows about the email writing, right? Again, in the email writing we have electronic, online, broadcasting, interaction, probability, and economical types. And next slide we are having expert systems. You see the picture, you can understand, right? So some of business applications of expert systems are accounting in finance, marketing, manufacturing, personal, that is HRM, human resource management, and the last one we have is general business. And in the next slide we are going to see few more information systems, like a static information system. This system provides an industrial strategic product, service, and capacity for comprehensive advantage. And in the next we have is cross-functional information system. It is also known as integrated information system that combines most of information systems and designed to provide information and support decision making for different level of management. And we have artificial intelligence also. It is an advanced branch of science, the process of human thinking and attempts to apply the knowledge to stimulate the same process in the machine. And the next one we have is uh, artificial intelligence, and the next one we have is ANN, that is artificial neural network. And the last one we have is Fury logics. And in a narrow sense, Fury logics is a logic system which is an extension of multi-level logistics. Thank you, and I hope you all understand what is the importance of information in the business and how information technology helps in the business. Thank you everyone for your support, and my intention is to do such kind of videos is to help you people who all are not able to study, and this will help, I hope. And please do like, share, and subscribe my channel if you like this video. Thank you.